Hi. I bought a GE 15318 push button and wall countdown timer switch and installed it. Did not work. I have the hot connected to hot, red to load, green to a good ground, and then even grounded to a copper water pipe to make sure good earth ground. But after turning on the circuit breaker, the timer charges up, flashes its blue lights once, and when I push the 5-minute button, the ceiling light, which is the load being controlled by the switch, flashes on and off once quickly and stays off. I can wait another minute or so until the timer charges again, push the 5-minute button and get the same result. But no way to get the ceiling light to stay on for the time period. I gave up on the first timer unit and bought a replacement. Same result. Could there be a bad lot of these?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. Please stand by while I check. Try reversing the wires connected to the hot and the load.
Already did that. Black and white and copper ground, coming into switch box from house. White happens to be hot, I get 120 volts between it and ground, while black is load. So I connected the timer's black to the house white and the timer's red to house black. Connected the above way, I get the described behavior. When I connect the other way, black to black and red to white, I get nothing at all. Lights do not flash at all when I press the 5-minute button, as if timer never charges up.
Didn't know you tested it. What type of lamp in the light fixture?
A standard 60 watts bulb in a simple porcelain socket. This is an unfinished under the house area. Timer is so I don't leave the light burning in there forever.
You've touched all bases. The wiring is correct, the lamp is correct, and you installed a second device. It would seem that, as assumed, they have a defective batch. You could try another or call GE customer service as listed on the instructions. One more thing. Did you try using the bottom override button?
Bottom button does nothing, even with long press. I looked for a phone number on the instructions but found nothing. Do you have a GE Cust SVC phone hash?
I'll give you a link that has reviews on this timer. Several people had similar results and the phone number is XXXXX. Good luck. http://reviews.homeadepot.com/answers/1999/product/2027888262/GE and wall digital countdown timer questions/questions.htm.
Okay, thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.